How to fix the Roblox error code 268 on the mobile. So let's get started. So firstly you have to make sure that your internet connection is stable. For that you have to drop down your menu. Now from here you have to check out your internet connection, and after that you have to go back and go into your Safari or any browser that you are using. Now from here you have to search for the Roblox server. Now once you are in the Roblox server status, you have to tap on it, and here you have to check out that if there is any kind of reports going on worldwide, and if there are reports going on, that means that you are not alone in this error. Other peoples are also facing this problem, and the error is on large scale, and this will going to fix automatically. And the next thing that you have to do is clear the cache of your Roblox. For that you have to go into your settings, go in the general, scroll down, click on the iPhone storage. From here go in the Roblox and click on the offload app. Now here you have to clear the cache. Now this will free up the storage that is used by the app and keep its documents and the data. And in the Android you have to clear the cache, and after that if the problem still not fixed, the last option is you have to reinstall your Roblox by deleting it and again install it, and that's the only way that you can fix your Roblox error code 268 in your mobile. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.